Hello everyone. I just want to thank you all for coming out today for this presentation. As many of you have already heard, we are going to be changing our current personal time system to paid time off, and this is a presentation to go over how those changes are going to affect you. Okay, so here's the agenda for today. So we are first going to go over our previous system that we are currently used to, and then I'm going to be giving you some background information on the new paid time off system and go over the new accrual rates, the extended illness bank that is also going to be included, and open up for questions that you may have about the new system. So, as you all know, our previous system, you had two separate banks. You had your vacation and your sick time bank. And your vacation time was accrued off of your biweekly pay. And it was also based off of your seniority in the company. So, for 0 to 5 years of service in the company, you gained 4 hours with your biweekly pay. From 6 years to 15 years of service, you gained 6 hours of biweekly pay. And for 15 plus years with the company, you gained 8 hours of vacation time per pay. Now, sick time was also accrued based on the biweekly pay, but employees only received 4 hours of sick time per pay. There was nothing based on seniority for sick time. Now, we are switching to a new system called paid time off, or PTO. And this system is just a bank of hours that you use for any personal time that you would like. This really allows employees to have the flexibility to use their time as they want instead of having just vacation time or sick days. This system is going to be in effect by June 1st of 2020 this year. And all of your previous time is not going to be thrown away. They're going to be funneled into our two new accounts that we will be having, which is our paid time off account and the extended illness bank account. So the new paid time off system is going to have a completely different set of accrual rates compared to the previous sick time and vacation time. So this paid time off is also going to be based off of your years of service in the company and your seniority, and it's still going to follow the biweekly pay schedule. So for 0 to 5 years of service with the company, you're going to be receiving 6 hours biweekly. 6 to 15 years in the company, you are going to receive 8 hours with your pay. And 15 plus years of service with the company, you're going to be receiving 10 hours biweekly that will go into your paid time off bank. Now, we are also going to be implementing an extended illness leave bank, and basically what an EIB is a bank of hours that you can use for any extended illness, injuries, surgeries that you or your family has incurred, and it gives you a bank of time that you can use that isn't going to affect your paid time off. So all of your current sick time that you have accrued will be funneled into this account. And in order to access the EIB, you're going to have to use 40 hours of your paid time off pay first, but after that you will be able to access your EIB. And for this bank as well, you get to use these hours until they are depleted. You are not going to be able to replenish this account at all, and any new hires will not have the benefit of the extended illness leave bank. Okay, I just want to say thank you for being here today and being understanding of the situation. I know that this is difficult switching systems, but I just want to say thank you for working with me, and I just want to open this up now to see if anyone has any questions.
How is this going to benefit us? It seems like we are losing time.
I know it may seem that way, but we just wanted to give all the employees the flexibility to use their hours as they want instead of having two separate banks just strictly for vacation time and sick time. This way, this gives everyone the flexibility to use their hours as they want. Are there any other questions?
What happens if I get sick after we switch to the new system?
So if you get sick, you're just going to use your paid time off bank. And if you are sick for longer than the 40 hours of the paid time off bank that you use, you will then switch to the extended illness bank, which you can use until you make the full recovery. Anything else? Well, thank you again for coming, and I hope that this is as seamless as possible. Thanks.